everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem transpose of matrix. Okay, so first let us understand the question. In the given question we have n is the size of the matrix. Okay, so n is equal to 4 into 4, that means 4 columns, 4 rows. Okay, now this is the given matrix. Okay, and we need to print the transpose of the given matrix. Okay, by transpose I mean that this matrix rows and columns would be swapped. That means this would become as 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this means that the row has now changed into a column. So this is what is the meaning of transpose. We swap the rows and columns. Okay, so the row become a column and the column become a row. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you, and now let's solve the question. So what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Okay, after choosing basic you need to find the problem transpose of a matrix. Once you find the problem you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the matrix now. Here is the question, let's read it. Write a program to find the transpose of a square matrix of size n into n. Transpose of a matrix is obtained by changing rows to columns and columns to rows. I hope the question is clear to you, and we need to code it over here. Okay, so let's code it. One minute, enter. So first I would apply a for loop on the matrix. Okay, for loop I range, okay, 0, n. Okay, this is the for loop, colon, enter. Now another for loop. This one is for rows and the second one is for the columns. Okay, in range. Okay, and the range is from I plus 1, n. Okay, colon, enter. Now I just need to swap the rows and columns, right? So it would be matrix, matrix I, j, okay, comma, matrix j, I, okay, equal to matrix j, I, okay, comma, matrix I, j, okay. One moment. Now let's go back over here. Now we need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. 1 minute. Let's wait. Let's see if it's correct or not. Okay, the compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's see. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem transpose of a matrix. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.